How to connect TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel. This is assuming you've already downloaded TubeBuddy from the Chrome Web Store, and now you're on your YouTube channel and you have this message saying TubeBuddy sign in required. Click here. So what are we going to do? We're going to click here. Then they thank you for installing TubeBuddy, and you check the box saying that you've read and agreed to the TubeBuddy privacy policy and terms of use, and then you have to sign in with your channel. So I'm going to select this account, and I have multiple channels under this account, so I'm going to select my channel, Direct Tech. And this is where some people get a little bit scared when you read through what TubeBuddy is allowed to do. So it says TubeBuddy wants to access your Google account, Direct Tech. This will allow TubeBuddy to see, edit, and permanently delete your YouTube videos, ratings, comments, and captions. This does not mean that TubeBuddy is going to automatically delete your stuff by itself. It means that the TubeBuddy app has the capabilities to delete things when you're working within the extension. So now you are going to be able to manually make changes to your channel through TubeBuddy. Nothing is automatic. You still have all the control. This also allows TubeBuddy to view your YouTube analytic reports for your YouTube content and manage your YouTube account. Then click allow, and there we go. The red text is gone. And if we click on this little TubeBuddy tab, now we have access to the TubeBuddy features. I am currently on a starter license, which is the free version, and I have access to all the starter license features. So that's how to connect TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel.